Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot, and guys, today I'm going to show you my October 2022 earnings from Read.Cash. So let's start, my friends. There is no analytics feature inside Read.Cash. It's a blogging platform that pays in Bitcoin Cash. And it doesn't have any monetization requirements whatsoever. So if you are looking to join this platform, please use my referral link. It's in the description box. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go downstairs to the bottom of this page where all the articles are posted, and as you can see, I'm going to leave these first three articles and this one 6.54, this one as well, and I'm going to start calculating from this period, which is this period of time, because I have ignored 10 articles and it's 22nd. So if you ignore 10 days from 22nd 22, so what I'm going to do, I have to ignore 22 articles, my friends. So I'll ignore 22 articles, and I'm going to start from here, my friends. Start calculating manually. So I have done the calculations, my friend. I have done all the calculations up till week 3, and the result is that I have made $22 in the month of October. I have made $22 in the month of October. So guys, these are my October 2022 earnings for Read.Cash, and mostly I have been writing about Bitcoin Cash as itself because of the two subreddits, r/BTC and r/Bitcoin Cash. I would suggest that if you are a new writer on Read.Cash, so you can write articles on Bitcoin Cash as well. Also, my friends, what I have been doing is, like today, I have posted an article on Read.Cash regarding insomnia. So I have imported it to medium.com, where I'm monetized. So you see there is a canonical link over here as well, and as well as on PublishOx as well, I have imported the article. So if you have a blog or somewhere else, even on your WordPress website, you can easily import your articles over there as well. So guys, I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification bar. And as always, I'm going to be signing off. Take care.